Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Moto E13 does have the stereo speakers. And to do this, we'll need to check all of the speakers on this device. And the first one is right here, that's a phone call speaker. Another one can be found on the bottom, that's a main speaker. And on this device, that's basically it. So now, if there's stereo speakers on this device, if we play some music and cover each of these speakers with our fingers, sound will be coming from both of them. If there's sound coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from a bottom speaker only, and that would mean that this device doesn't have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.